It's another day. Look at all this beauty. You see snow up there though on the top of those mountains. Still pretty, but I was just taking in all the beauty. We're gonna head out of here. We're gonna come back. I'm still at Porteau Cove. I'm sure you recognize it. But we're gonna head into town because last night the damn puppies had me up all night. So I'm going to buy a baby gate. You ready, Presh? Door's locked. Oh, just letting the RV warm up a little bit before I start climbing mountains. Oh, it's early. Very early, but like I said, the puppies have had me up all night. So it's, I don't know, about 7 o'clock or a little bit after now. Walmart should be open. Hopefully they have baby gates. So as I drive to town here, I'm just still in shock and awe when I look around at the sheer beauty. Especially early in the morning like this, the clouds and the fog are halfway up the mountains. Woo, it's beautiful. Okay, well, we got the baby gate. Of course, they're already trying to find out how to chew through it and escape. Don't bother. Little bad boys and girls. Are you little bad boys and girls? Hey, we don't bite the gate. We don't bite the gate. Oh my God, my house has turned into a friggin' kennel. Okay guys, back on the road. Climbing these hills once again. Poor Nana. Oh. Okay, well, we got back to Porteau Cove Provincial Park. I chose a different site. This one's beautiful. This is site number 9. Beautiful view of the pier, although today, you know, it's rainy and cloudy. What can you do? But it's a much bigger site. So Precious and I are out for a little walk. Look how cute these cabins are that you can rent here at the Porteau Cove. Mind you, they're not cheap. I think they're about $200 a night. The Olympic Legacy cabins. But we're taking a walk. I want to go see if I can get out on that pier over there. Now that the sun is maybe going to make an appearance. How do you feel, Presh? Oh my goodness, look at her boobs. Well, we made it over to the pier. My goodness, it is beautiful. Look around us. I can actually see, oop, there's Nana right there. Definitely can't complain. So you can see Nana way off in the distance. And then the Olympic cabins right there that you can rent. Look at the clouds hovering into the mountains. They've got a little boat launch over there. And this pier is actually quite interesting because it's got these viewing platforms. I'm at another one over here, but you can go up even higher. I'm not going to because I don't like heights, but the option's there. Well, it's another day. We're just heading down Highway 99 back towards Vancouver. Our stay at Porteau Cove has come to an end for now, but I'm sure I will go back. But for now, we're going to head back down to the city because they're expecting some snow up there. Actually, I woke up this morning to some wet snow, but it's already melted, so I figure I'll take advantage of the sunny day and mosey on down towards Vancouver. Anywho, we left the Porteau Cove, we came down here to Vancouver area, and I reposted the puppies, and now we're down to just 2, and one of which I'm keeping, so there's only one left for sale. They were just sitting on the floor. They probably ran back to their kennel. But we're down to 1 left for sale. Fresh, how do you feel about it? No, get your hand off the steering wheel. You can't do driving. And then look, yeah, there they are. All my co-pilots. Anyways, let's get on the highway and go find Bob. Well, we've only been driving for about, I don't know, 10 or 15 minutes, and we've already got one vehicle right up on its side in the ditch. Whoops. Slow down, people, slow down. Well, we made it here into Abbotsford. Fair to say it's a little bit more wintry over here. Only an hour away from the ocean makes all the difference. But it is slowly melting. I highly doubt it'll stick around long. Anyways, I'm just stopping here in town to get something to eat, and then we will go and find Mr. Robert. Boom, it's another day. Precious, say hi to everybody. Precious is very happy because we were able to rehome all the puppies except for one. Well, I'm keeping one, and then there's still one to be sold, so I'm still have 2. How do you feel, Presh? There's a little bad one over there. There's little Cash Boy. There's your Cashy. Anyways, as usual, this vlog has kind of gotten away from me. It's been a couple days. We left the Porteau Cove, came down to Vancouver. I rehomed a few of the puppies, and now we're over in Abbotsford because I just started ripping out the carpet out of my bedroom. Because of you. Because of you. Anyways, so I ripped out the carpet. I ripped out a few of the tiles because we just stopped here at Lowe's and they had the exact same tiles that I have. So I'm going to say screw it to the carpet and I'm going to put tile down. You can see I just used a little bit of leftover paint and painted over the floor where their pee had soaked through the carpet into my subfloor. Oi, get out of there. Anyways, that's what we got going on. Cash Boy. Cashy Boy. Hey, come here. Cash. What are you doing? Say hi to everybody. Say hi to everybody. Nope, you'd rather pull my towel down. You bad boy. Okay, I got the rest of the tiles down. I even managed to finish what I had started here. I did the entire wall all the way around. Now I just need to add a top piece, which maybe I'll get around to tomorrow. And I finally built a little box to cover the heat vent. It used to run out there and dropped down into a hole right around here to heat the basement. But I had to move that when I renovated the bedroom because there used to be a bed there and a bed on the other side with a walkway down the middle. But once I moved that all around, I had to deal with that. So that was the solution. I ran it along the outside wall, and you can't tell, but somewhere around that area, it drops down into the basement. So hopefully my water pipes and my water pump, won't freeze. So that's all done. What do you think about it, Prash? What do you think, huh? What do you two think? Hi, little girl. Hi, little girl. I hear your tail, Prash. You're a happy girl. Alright guys, well, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye for now.